please, Deepika Padukone! Tanya, come on!
What do you want,
Yeah, you want to know.
Let Ram come in.
Okay, yeah. Come here. Okay, Deepika, you got to point down, press this button, and magic happens. She knows. I don't know. You got to point it back. Look, yeah, you point down. Niche la. Ha. Ladies and gentlemen, happy. Play the music, baby doll. He's my baby doll. He's a very ugly man. The highest selling issue of Stardust. Like Deepika, this is a blockbuster issue as well. Listen, if you clap louder, you get the skull. The skull. Can you do it now?
Can't auction it on my behalf without checking with me.
Deepika agreed to auction her skull necklace.
Not my skull.
Okay, now, please rip off the cover. Nari sir. Here you go. The fastest selling magazine on the newsstand. Nari sir, you're a very lucky man. Initial called DBS, which is Dimpled Blockbuster Star. Okay. Now the amount of awards that you're collecting.
Only you can come up
I
with.
swear, it's the truth. DBS, Dimpled Blockbuster Star.
Do you all approve of this?
DBS, you approve? Who put your hand up first? Who all approves?
2 hands.
Mr. Dani sir, come on. Okay, you picked up awards, critics, popular. In this whole year, there's a strong feeling you pick up all the awards. Are you buying a new apartment to keep those awards? What's the strategy?
I can keep them in the Magna office considering it's like right next door. Buying a new apartment, no, yeah. I'll manage in my small little apartment. I'll manage.
Wow. Okay, so much of appreciation, hits, blockbusters happening. Which Jyotishi or Pandit you met who gave you this lucky touch?
It's my own touch.
Oh! Can you touch us also so we give hits too?
I'll think about it.
Alright, we're going to open up the floor because you got limited time. So, left side pe pehla question, put your hands up, give a lovely smile and you can ask a question.
There have been some really nice performances, just like last year. I think there have been some really nice performances this year as well. मैं actually थोड़ा disappointed हूँ कि all my films released in the same year, whether it was ये जवानी है दीवानी, Chennai Express, Ram Leela, I actually wish that they were all sort of spaced out, and I gave the audience a little more breathing time. But yeah, it's been a special year. It's been great, not just box office wise, but even in terms of the appreciation that I got in these films. And but you can't take awards for granted. Yes, we all like to be rewarded for our work and like to be appreciated, but until the award is in your hand, you never know. So
आपको क्या लगता है कौन है competitor इस year में?
I think there's a lot. I think Nimrit was fantastic in the Lunchbox. I think Sonakshi was very good in Lutera. For me, these are the two performances that I really liked this year. I think Sonam was really good in Ranjana.
Okay, question right पे पहले. सर जी आप अच्छा.
अपनी शोहरत हर एक साल के अंदर अनगिनत फिल्में हर तरह के अवार्ड आपको हर तरह का अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है. आप किस तरह से देखती है इस पूरी कामयाबी को? आप इस कामयाबी से आपको डर लगता है या नर्वसनेस ज्यादा हो जाती है? डर इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कहीं ये चला ना जाए.
No, yeah. I think if anything, it's given me. I feel liberated. I think हमको कभी डर के काम नहीं करना चाहिए. जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ इतने सालों से मैं दिल से करती हूँ. एंड कामयाबी के साथ आई थिंक एक यू फील अ काइंड ऑफ फ्रीडम. यू फील कि अच्छा आगे जाके मैं कुछ और भी कर सकती हूँ, कुछ अलग कर सकती हूँ. लोग मेरा काम अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. जैसे मेरी अगली फिल्म जो है बहुत ही अलग है. शायद कोई एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेगा, बट इट्स अ शॉर्ट फिल्म, इंग्लिश पिक्चर है. तो लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये कमर्शियल हीरोइन एक छोटी सी इंग्लिश पिक्चर में क्या कर रही है. बट आई थिंक आई थिंक मैं ज़्यादा सोचती नहीं. मैं बहुत दिल से काम करती हूँ. मैं बस होमी के साथ काम करना चाहती थी और दैट वाज गोइंग टू बी हिज नेक्स्ट फिल्म. एंड आई न्यू दैट 1 month इन गोवा आई वाज गोइंग टू हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम. So I don't think too much about my work. Even the films that I did last year in 2013, I didn't think about them. Neither did I know when they were going to release. I just went there, worked every single day, worked very very hard. And when these films release are really beyond your control, or the fate of those films for that matter.
अरे एक करके बाबा. अच्छा.
ऑफिशियल हीरोइन नंबर 1, क्या आप अपने आप को हीरोइन नंबर 1 मानती हैं? क्योंकि
Same guys asking question, huh?
ऑफिशियल हीरोइन नंबर 1.
मैं खुद अपने आप को नहीं मानती. ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है जब लोग कहते हैं. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ वैलिडेशन दैट यू कैन गेट. जब व्हेन पीपल टेल यू दैट, अच्छा तो ज़रूर लगता है. बट आई होप दैट इट्स मोर अबाउट द वर्क एंड नॉट नेसेसरली अबाउट द नंबर्स दैट द फिल्म्स आर डूइंग. मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि बॉक्स ऑफिस I think collections is not something that I value as much as films that have repeat value. I think last time भी मैंने यही कहा था. For me, the sign of a successful film is a film that has repeat value. 10 साल बाद, 20 साल बाद, like how we refer to कभी कभी, we refer to Sholay, we refer to Mughal Azam. For me, those are iconic films, and I hope that the films that I've been a part of end up becoming like that.
Okay, the lady on the left. देखिए मैं आपको चांस दे रहा हूँ. वाह.
Thank you so much.
अरे God bless you.
Happy New Year, Deepika.
Same.
जिस तरह से आपको पता है कि स्टारडस्ट ने रणबीर और कटरीना की जो पिक्चर्स पब्लिश करने के बाद इंडस्ट्री में जो धमाल मच गई थी, थोड़ा स्कैर्ड है, डरे आप कि आज यहाँ आने के लिए कि कहीं नेक्स्ट नंबर आपका ना हो जाए. आप
मेरे और दीपिका के पिक्चर्स फ्लोट होने लग गए तो है ना पॉइंट.
Shut
तो
up,
यहाँ
shut
पर
up.
तो
Just Babu, shut up. Shut up,
So
Babu.
what do you think about, what's your take on that?
What's your take on that, Mr. Nari?
We have an exclusive picture of hers and Ranveer next issue cover.
Oh God, Mr. Hira, you naughty fellow.
Expected this?
It doesn't matter. It's a part of what I do.
नानी सर उस बात के लिए नहीं बात कर रहे हैं जो आपने न्यू ईयर रणवीर के साथ बाहर जाके मनाया. वो पिक्चर्स की बात तो नहीं हो रही है.
हाँ, that's right. Those are the ones we
तो बारे न्यू ईयर में आप पार्टी कम कर रही थी, इन पे कंसंट्रेट कर रही थी.
Somebody else. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead.
Pictures on like जो लीक हुए आपके
Give me the
और
mic.
रणवीर की.
वो मेरे पिक्चर्स तो नहीं है. हाँ,
अच्छा
I don't know, बाबा.
अच्छा ठीक है, आप क्या बोल रही हैं?
आप Deepika, would you like to say?
Ram,
आपकी
stop me,
pictures
give me
की
the
आप
mic.
ये कहना चाहते हैं?
But definitely जब वो इशू रिलीज होगा, मैं I will definitely buy a copy to read it.
And she'll come to release it also.
Now that you being considered the blockbuster heroine, तो क्या आप कभी सोचती हैं कि अपना प्राइस हाइक करने के लिए फिल्मों के लिए
Oh God.
हाँ?
Price hike.
हीरोइन एक्ट्रेस बोला जा रहा है कि आपकी 100 crore 200 crore फिल्म आ रही है, तो कभी आप कभी
काश वो पैसे मेरे होते.
Yeah, it's a good question. Now, if I conclude to her, like कभी आप profit sharing की मांग करेंगे, because Bollywood actors सारे profit sharing की बात करते हैं.
never knew that you've done that for Finding Fanny Fernandez. You've not taken any fee.
For me, films are a very, very extremely creative process, and it's I think, and the same thing applies to, I think, the fact that we now associate a successful film with the kind of money that it makes. Similarly, I think it removes, I think when you start discussing remuneration and the monetary aspect of an actor when it comes to a film, it just removes the excitement of doing a film. I don't do films for the money.
You've been saying that.
I've always said that. And our industry is very small. Everybody knows everyone. Every producer knows who's paying who, how much. And I've always believed that everyone gets paid what they deserve. And I've never liked to talk about money because I really, like I said earlier, I think I work straight from the heart. I don't overanalyze. I don't overthink about anything.
And nominations galore this year. Filmfare is coming up. Nominated for Best Actress, Chennai Express and Ramli.
Yeah, but
magazines के नाम याद ले रहे हो आप?
How do you feel?
I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. Yesterday I won the Popular Award for all the 4 films put together. The specific award that you're talking about, I'm upset that I'm not nominated for Ye Jawani Hai
Karan was
Deewani.
upset too yesterday when we asked him. He said we've come here to protest because Deepika is not nominated.
He was here?
No, at the awards yesterday.
Oh, there, yeah.
Even Ayan had a say.
Yeah, I met Karan and Ayan yesterday as well, and I'm disappointed that I'm not nominated for Ye Jawani because it was a very, very special film for me. But nevertheless, like I said, everything's just come together. So two nominations in the same year is also, I'm happy.
I'll say something on your association with Filmfare. How do you take that?
Huh?
How would you define your association with Filmfare from the time you started? You won the debut award.
See, I have 2 Filmfares at home. I won 2 in my debut year, and I hope this year I can add at least 1 more.
खुश? No coffee for you.
I'll buy you coffee. I'll buy you.
अरे आपका एक सवाल हो चुका है बाबा वहाँ बैठे.
Yeah. Someone there.
अरे बाबा circulate कर रहा है. I promise you, I'll take you out for coffee too. Don't worry.
The Oman Chennai Express, we are again going to see you with Shah Rukh Khan
Yeah.
in Happy New Year. So everybody is saying that you guys are the new it couple on screen in Bollywood. So how do you feel about it?
Great.
Look at that smile for Shah Rukh Khan. Wow.
We've been very lucky, I think, even in terms of the scripts that we got. It took us 6 whole years for Chennai Express to happen after Om Shanti Om. So I think it's also the scripts and the kind of characters that we get in a film that we do together that also enhances our on-screen chemistry. And yeah, I hope that Happy New Year is as special as Om Shanti Om and Chennai Express.
I heard that you signed a film with Amir Khan. Tell us, is that right news so I can continue with my second question?
You ask me your second question.
वो list निकालो.
No, you asked me the second question.
Okay, the second one is that कि अब like शाहरुख आप काम कर चुके हैं, आमिर के साथ फिल्म साइन कर ली है.
तो क्या तो आप सलमान के साथ कब काम करेंगे?
क्या बात है? I like this.
He's like gone mad. आपके बारे में हमेशा बातें करते रहते हैं.
He's gone mad.
Who's gone mad?
You decided that he's gone mad.
Salman's gone mad.
Salman gone mad.
Salman is smitten by you. Let's just keep with that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Would you like to say something?
Even I'm smitten by him.
Tell us कि आमिर के साथ फिल्म कर रहे हैं.
I would like to. If you're asking me right now, if there is something, no, there's nothing.
I thought Excel film के साथ आपने फिल्म साइन.
No, there's nothing. There's nothing right now. As of now, like I always say, 2 people that I still need to work with, and I'm looking forward to 3 people, and that list hasn't changed yet. Amir, Salman, and Hrithik. But I'm hoping to tick that off soon as well.
There are rumors about Krish 4 and Badi Bhaiya also.
Krish 4 or Dhoom 4? Now decide what you'll say.
Everything. जो भी consider.
अरे जो भी rumors है बता दो अभी.
Basically, all the films. What about the others?
अच्छा, listen now, quiet.
Enough.
Right now, I'm working on Happy New Year. I've finished shooting for Finding Fanny, which will release in July. After that, Happy New Year will release. And I start shooting for Imtiaz's film in June. Right now, other than this, there's nothing else that I've signed.
Okay. Anybody decide?
There's a statement in Stardust which you've said. You're obviously, I'm a very bindas girl, but now I become very careful of what I say.
Oh, have I said that?
Yeah,
Oh,
you have.
God. Wait, let me quickly read it.
Okay. It's pertaining to even the coffee with Karan thing where you said that I've kind of been very careful of what I've spoken about. So has the bindas Deepika become the righteous, correct, I'm going to say only the right things, that kind of thing?
No, I think only when it comes to certain things. I don't think so. See how happy and bindas I am today.
I know.
Do I look like I'm thinking too much?
No, you're not thinking at all. I also look like I don't think too much because I don't think at all.
Except when I talk to you, I'm thinking a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, anybody? Enough with this girl. Enough.
कॉफी विद करण की बात आपने आपने की है तो फिर था तो फिर टीआरपी वाइज आपका शो बहुत लाइक अच्छा किया है कंपेयर टू लाइक अदर एक्ट्रेसेस. तो वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग बिकॉज़ Salman and yours episode was like highest TRP show on Coffee with Karan.
I loved Salman's episode, but the best part was when Salim Saab came. I think that chunk was the best part. But anyway, I'm actually surprised that you're saying this because when Priyanka and I finished shooting, Karan was very upset and he said we were extremely boring on the show.
Oh God.
And which is why he called us nuns also. So I'm very surprised by this what you just told me.
In fact, you've said another statement in Stardust that I'm socially awkward. Now with winning these awards, being in front of media all the time, are you still socially awkward?
Please see the speeches that I've given.
What happens in them?
See na when it's telecast. I don't think, I mean, I've seen actresses who go up there and give really nice speeches and I try, yeah, but I can't.
Are you give blockbuster speeches, yeah?
अच्छा.
What are you saying?
करने की या फील ऐसा करने की वजह उम्मीद ले या स्क्रिप्ट उतनी अच्छी थी?
दोनों. आई थिंक सबसे पहले आई थिंक जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो लोग कहते हैं जो हुआ है मेरे साथ वो हुमी के साथ ही हुआ था कॉकटेल में. तो ऑब्वियसली मैं उनके साथ फिर से काम करना चाहती थी. स्क्रिप्ट भी बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग था मेरे लिए. एंड जस्ट द फैक्ट कि आई वाज गेटिंग टू डू एन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज फिल्म. एज एन एक्टर यू स्टार्ट हैव टू थिंक स्लाइटली डिफरेंटली व्हेन यू आर परफॉर्मिंग इन इंग्लिश. एंड कि मुझे नसीर साहब, पंकज कपूर साहब, डिम्पल कपाड़िया के साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा था कि हम सब गोवा में 1 महीने के लिए हम शूटिंग करने जा रहे थे. तो ये सब आई थिंक दीज आर ऑल द रीजंस फॉर मी वांटिंग टू डू फाइनी फाइनी.
क्या फिल्म में रणवीर सिंह एक रोल अदा कर रहे हैं?
हाँ?
क्या फिल्म में रणवीर सिंह भी एक रोल अदा करने वाले हैं?
Yes, he is.
He is playing your husband in the film?
Yeah, he does.
दीपिका, इसी एडिशन में आपने इंटरव्यू में कहीं कहा है कि there is nothing serious between me and Ranveer. Do you agree with this? Do you say something?
And yesterday, adding to that,
Who has said that?
You said. I
So
just
then-
read it.
Yeah, and yesterday,
So then,
क्या चेक करना चाह रहे हैं कि इंफॉर्मेशन ऑथेंटिक है कि नहीं?
and yesterday when we asked Ranveer about the pictures, the New York pictures, when we asked him, he said Behuda Sawal. That's something Ranveer has said in the past too. So what do you say about Ranveer saying Behuda Sawal when we asked him about the pictures?
I can't comment on somebody else's comment. I can only comment on my
But you
comment.
got slightly offensive too when you were asked the same question yesterday.
Really? Nobody asked me some behuda sawal.
I did that.
What
You
did
did
you
only a behuda sawal. No, respectfully also now.
Deepika, there's a tussle going on between music companies and music composers. So as a part of the industry, what do you feel about it? Singers are asking for the royalty, songs for the songs which they sing. So what is your take being a part of film industry?
I am not fully. I've been reading, but I don't think it's right for me to comment on something that I'm not fully aware about, or when I don't know both sides of the story. So.
Okay. जाना उसको. अच्छा.
आपने जैसे कहा कि हाँ मैंने जो अपना इंटरव्यू दिया है कि there is nothing serious between me and Ranveer. So it means you are single.
Yes.
You are single.
सर अभी आपका क्या है आपने?
आप खुश हैं ना? आप खुश हो गए ना?
दीपिका जाने से पहले you have to teach us one dance. You're sitting and doing it? Yeah. Okay, come on. Teach me one. Sir, you also.
Thank you.